Say Merry Christmas, Joe.
Hey, Merry Christmas.
You're a special kind of guy.
Absolutely. And let's just say that it is Christmas of 2008.
2008. Good way to open.
Merry Christmas.
Just so we know, you never know.
Merry Christmas!
You know, 60 years from now, we're all kicking around, whatever. What year was that?
2008 now.
Thank God Joe threw that out there.
That's true. That's true.
Now you gotta do the shake.
Do the shimmy shake?
No, if you do it, you know what? Who's gonna watch this, right? Say goodbye to these, baby. Say goodbye to these.
No, I think they're just gonna get bigger as it goes along.
Okay, well, whatever. I'll just try to you can edit that as you feel necessary for all the family members.
Up.
We don't want to
People that are in charge. Okay.
We're just gonna watch these people try to get in.
Well, why'd you lock it? Now you know. Oh, is that Danny?
Merry Christmas!
And
Happy New Year!
happy root beer. Wait, can I start over?
Give the camera a kiss. Mwah.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Give the camera a kiss. Mwah.
Happy root
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Oh, Merry
That's
Christmas!
camera or yours?
Merry Christmas,
Merry
Daddies.
Christmas. Oh, okay.
Wait,
Your
Merry Christmas.
your hammer's broken.
Is it really? All right, wait. Santa, I need your help for a second.
What?
What are we doing?
You gotta come and help me.
Wait,
with
where's Grandma? Wait. Can't we wait for Grandma at least? Don't you
It is
think?
for Grandma.
It's for Grandma.
All right, Grandma. Okay, Grandma.
Oh, look at Grandma.
Sandra,
that
you
coat.
help me.
Wait,
Okay.
get
You
wait,
help me.
would you get a full throttle?
That is a very cool coat, Grandma.
Step back, Ma.
What are we doing?
Show the coat. Show the coat.
Step back.
Model the coat. Ooh.
Woo!
Oh.
Okay.
But my hair got.
Oh, it looks beautiful.
Just think,
All right.
Give her a profile.
All right.
Okay,
Now
that's
you got
it.
San. You got to help me do something for Mom.
All right.
Okay, you got to help me.
What do you want me to do? Should I be out of this one?
No. You go stand behind Grandma.
I'll be up here.
Joe, you got to catch it, so you got to stand behind her.
All right, I'm the catcher. Come on,
No,
come on.
stand behind her. Stand there. San, you have to help me in here. Open the door.
Uh-oh.
All right, watch out, Ma. This one's gonna hurt, Ma.
What is it?
Right, take it like a woman, Ma. Come on. Uh-oh! Casey. It's Casey. Casey was able to get me. Yeah, she's hiding.
What do you know? How did you get in?
She was hiding in a car. Highway. Let's get that right. You didn't get her an entrance. I had the key. Hey.
Well, I'm not getting anything.
Let's get straight. I had the key. Uncle Joe had the key. It was I had the key. Sheriff's key didn't work. I didn't realize it. So wait a minute. It's like I do have a key because I'm thinking, where's my truck? I usually leave my truck. My truck is not at my house. It's at the
I was
Renzi
afraid
house.
to open the door.
So it's like-
I threw it away. I was like, Mama. She's like,
I got my
this is
key.
gonna hurt.
Was there a dog gonna run out of there?
Yeah, wait. So we got you.
Well, we couldn't leave her in there too long.
Instead of getting you, we could have got them a dog. Well, we see you here every year now.
That's so great.
Where's the food? Where are the presents?
Mom,
What'd you do? You picked her up at the airport or
No,
something?
she was in the driveway when we got home.
I'm leaving and she comes out of your car. I thought you did you.
Me and Sharon are outside trying to get into the house. Right? Sharon's key's not working. And we're fooling around for
Nobody told me we changed the locks. Thank you for the
You
message.
know, they changed the lock. She goes, oh, I didn't know they changed the lock. Oh, we got to get I said, well, let's go to my house because it's raining. You know? So we start to walk away, and then all of a sudden, wait a minute. I'm like, wait a minute. I was like, I got my keys. And look, see?
And what, you were in the car
Right there, with the little label on it. That's a brand new key.
about walking
I
and
said,
driving
I got a key. Popped in, And as soon as Robin, this one comes shooting out of the car.
I thought it was you, Sam.
Watching us for a mile trying to get in. And then she watches pile back into her vehicle to drive away and wasn't going to say nothing. And it wasn't until we got out of the car again and came back to the house that she came out.
I just when I said that car was here before, but now somebody's getting out of it. That made no sense. It was an empty car, it was a full car. But
I was supposed to get here around like 10:30, but my flight was delayed.
oh.
So, and then the Egyptian taxi guy got lost on the way here. So I got here at 12, and I was like, they're at Mass right now. So I sat in your car. I tried to break into your
got
house.
here at 12.
She tried to break into the house.
You gotta get to the second floor to get in.
I know.
Future, you could go to Uncle Joe's. He keeps all his.
I know, that's what he said.
I don't have a key.
But I was gonna pop out of your car and just be like, "Hi, Mom."
Okay.
Did you get all that on tape?
I think I did. Say hi, Dan.
My name's Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper.
I just hope I recorded that whole thing right.
What?
I hope I recorded the whole thing right. Wouldn't you be so mad if I didn't? We'd have to reenact the whole entire thing all over again.
Grandma would. No, you can't capture Grandma's scream again.
No, that was one of those scary screams.
Yeah.
Ma, we never heard you scream like that. Ever.
You scream pretty loud, Grandma.
Trash can. I was like, what is gonna come out of here? So I flicked on the light and look in, and she's standing there. And I'm looking at her like,
I couldn't believe my eyes.
Now we can just get a poster made of her and every now and then just like put it in front of them. So they think, oh, she- oh, no. Just a poster.
that'd be horrible. Who wants one?
Deb does.
Yeah, I reckon.
I reckon.
I guess we didn't drink enough.
Wait, before you open that, Dan, who'd that person come from?
Ed Sharon.
No. What did we just agree on?
Oh, Santa Claus.
That's right.
Santa Claus. Sorry. Is this what I think it is?
What do you think it is?
Laptop?
Yeah.
Got a laptop?
Got a laptop. It's a small laptop, though. You can't put a disc in it, but you can hook something up that you can put a disc in.
They call it a netbook instead of a notebook that's a little bit smaller than a full-size laptop.
That way you can fit it in your book bag. I thought you'd like the smaller one better, right?
But you
My
have,
sister has the same thing. Can't believe it. Santa Claus got me a laptop.
Yeah. Good boy. He's a smart man, isn't he?
My flight was at 4, and I went from Florida.
Can't be that difficult. Is it really that difficult?
And, North Carolina.
Well, that's right, because I didn't open it. So you probably have to charge that battery good.
yes, but you could plug it into the wall and start playing with it right now if you wanted to.
Did Santa say that it had internet?
Look,
Yeah, we'll definitely get
I
internet.
just stole a whole ring of Oreos. I got the table over there.
She's gonna have to kill
I
you
know who they
now.
were, but I got them.
She's gonna have to kill you now.
We'll see if this will be any left.
What'd you get, Dan?
A laptop.
Awesome.
What kind? Santa Claus got me a laptop.
Yeah.
A laptop, yeah. This is
Power cord, right? So you can plug it into the wall.
yeah.
But apparently, if you want to download a disc on it, you just download the disc on Mommy's thing, put it on a little one of those little memory sticks, and then you can put it into your laptop. Because it's so small, it doesn't take a disc.
Doesn't have a CD-ROM.
It's like what?
because it's so small, it doesn't take a CD-ROM, one of the CDs, but you can download a CD onto a memory stick and then put the memory stick in it.
Does it need a CD-ROM to get internet on it, or
No.
it automatically gets internet?
No, it has the memory stick in there, and you should be able to get it off of Grandpa's internet.
You have a wireless internet card.
There we go. Okay, there we go.
Your camera, my camera.
Allie,
This is
can
your
I-
camera.
Allie, can I see that thingy?
What is that thing? You just opened it. Let her look at it at least.
I just want to see what it is.
We haven't figured it out yet.
What'd you get, Al?
What is this?
What is it, Al?
What'd you get, Al?
Twist, make things out of it. Eventually
What'd Santa give you, Al?
colors together, but good luck.
It's stuck. Here, Allie.
She just wrapped the thing, tossed it aside, didn't even look at it to find out what it was.
What did she open?
I don't know, but she just tossed it. She didn't even look at it.
This was what with that.
But she didn't even, I mean, honestly, she took the wrapping off and tossed it. She didn't even actually look at it.
I know, I love carrots.
Yeah.
All right, this is for you and Allie.
Look, again, she didn't even look at it.
Wow.
Underwear?
What'd you get, Al?
Oh.
Allie, let me see your puzzle.
Oh my God! Can I come over?
Oh my god.
A wing.
Oh my god.
Oh my God! Who needs the laptop? That's wireless.
Yes, no.
I think so.
I don't know.
Wow. What games do we have, Mom? We get bowling?
What's a Wii?
What's a Wii?
A Wii is like one of those
What does this do?
Is that like an Atari?
No.
I don't know. I don't know. No.
Okay, I'm sorry. Is that like an Atari of my day?
He doesn't even know what an Atari is.
A Wii is you take the thing and you like play tennis, and it's like you playing tennis because it's connected to the computer.
Well, then can we just give him a tennis racket?
No, can we get one of those?
No.
Yes. Yes.
What'd you get?
Super Paper Mario.
For the Wii? Yeah.
I should play Super.
So it is like an Atari.
No.
Is that an Atari?
It's an interactive console.
I can't even
It's so much more. So this is for me and you, right?
It's an Atari of my day.
Yes.
Dan, by
Yes,
the
it
way.
is.
Oh, okay.
What'd you get, Al?
Thank you,
No,
Dan.
you got a Wii?
No.
Al, did you look at any of
I
yours?
can't believe you got a Wii.
What'd you get, Grandpa?
Wow. Oh,
Mom, are the stores open tomorrow?
No.
And Grandpa.
What are you doing, Case?
I don't know what this does.
Oh, it does lots of things. It's like a puzzle. Hold on. You gotta read.
Thanks for the Super Monkey Ball game, Mom. I mean, Santa. Now you call for the underwear.
Oh, the Blackbirds.
Oh, how I love the underwear.
Dan, this is from Allie.
What? Yeah, I need some of those.
Thank you, Allie.
Allie, this is from Dan.
Okay.
Okay, so the whole
She didn't know what it
playing
is.
pocket.
I don't think, because we're not allowed to have a strap. It has to be a pouch.
Oh, just,
Yeah, just a
oh,
pouch.
okay, we'll have to go look for them.
Thank you, Grandma.
Allie, what did you get for? Allie, what did you get? Let me see. What did you get for me?
Okay, Dan, here's a better question. What did you get for her?
That's what he's trying to find out.
No, that's what I said. What did you get from me?
Yes,
You said
but
you wanted to give her a movie.
Yeah.
That's what you gave her.
What'd
I
you
love how
get?
Mom has to tell him what he
I
got.
just said.
Nice.
I asked for that.
I'm not sure. I tried to read the directions, but I'm too tired to read.
I like chess. I'm
I
too
start
tired to
school in
play.
January.
You're tired.
I'm
Maybe.
tired.
Here, Dad.
what do you mean you're tired?
It's time to go to
Very
bed.
What time did you get up this morning?
After all this bread.
Come on, Maureen, get in shape.
I had to get up at 4 and do my hair for formation.
Is there anything else?
Yeah,
Nope,
and then
that's it.
and then 2 hours later they told us that we
What?
could get changed back into civilian clothes. So
What else did you want?
that was all futile.
I'm just wondering.
What is this?
That's Irish cream.
Oh, we'll pass that over this way.
That's for tomorrow.
This is very frustrating. I don't know why you give it to Allie. She'd fuck it out my head.
Allie looks like a little drunken reindeer. And she said that just
so
at the right time.
She's so excited.
Well, Allie doesn't know what a Wii is yet, but when she starts playing the games that she got, she'll like it.
What games did she get?
Oh, is
She
that,
got a cooking game.
is that the thing she
and
keeps
a
tossing
princess.
aside? Is that what she keeps tossing aside whenever you give it to her?
Oh, a chess set.
Oh, who knows how to play chess over there?
Dan.
Dan, you know how to play chess?
Yes.
I could see I need to come over more often.
Yes, you do.
Sharpen your skills up.
Yes, you do.
Because I heard I was pretty good.
I had no idea.
Dan.
Hi, Deb.
Thanks, Grandma.
What'd you get?
An atlas.
An atlas? Can you show us where we are?
New Jersey.
Well, I didn't ask you where we were. I said show us where you were.
I'll show you where Pensacola is.
Yeah, we want to see where Pensacola is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's right underneath Alabama.
That's where you're supposed to be going tomorrow.
Oh, wait,
I
you're
know,
not
that's
even in New Jersey? Oh, my God.
Dig out your,
No, the people that didn't go home are going to Alabama tomorrow.
right
We are right here.
to the left, to your left, son.
Right there.
Is he right?
That's mom.
Is he right? I asked you, is he right?
Yes, I am.
Mom,
Oh, I'm ripping up
That's
Kabasi.
mom's too.
Of course I
This
am.
is both
You're not
moms.
supposed to videotape that.
Well,
And goes
We
round.
found the things under the seat.
Thanks, Grandma. Disgusting. Oh, wait.
You want to go back to you?
Back to you.
Sleepy time.
Wasn't there another one?
Are we supposed to do this in the morning after we get sleep?
No.
No.
This is how we do it here.
Oh.
oh, you didn't do this back at home?
No, we did the morning. They wouldn't wake up.
Yeah,
Where
I
are
remember,
you
the one,
kids?
I remember the one time we tried to do it. Charlie was there.
This is yours.
And we all passed down to Charlie, and Charlie played with all our gifts.
I remember I had a crystal going kit, but we had to use a toxic food that was very poisonous.
What'd you get, Grandpa?
Dan.
Hey, Mom.
No, it did.
Guess what?
What?
It's
I'm
just
getting
that they
myself a
crumpled.
What'd you
Christmas
get,
present.
What?
I'm gonna go get my
It's not blanket.
Allie, don't forget about the stockings.
Merry Christmas, Mom.
Wanna go get your stocking?
Up, Danny's running to get a stocking. Oh, there goes Allie. Whoa.
Oh, and Sherry goes.
Oh, hit the pole.
Which one's mine? I don't remember.
I don't know. Sandra Marie.
Sandra Marie Monks, come over here.
Hold on. Don't touch him. Sandra Marie.
Hi.
They don't know which ones are theirs.
The green one's yours, Dan. The red one's Allie's. Don't do that.
Too bad. I get a lot of it from your daughter.
Oh, good God. Is he still here?
Yes, he is.
Lots of questions means nobody seems to know. So there. You like answers? Get advice and savings from State Farm agents.
Ooh, somebody got Wally.
I don't know. You did. Dan.
I did?
Yeah.
I did.
Well,
I
it was
did.
supposed to be yours.
Allie opened it.
I guess so. Oh, I must have handed it to you.
Those two. It has to be
A
the-
puzzle
the restaurant
shirt
strong one.
thingy.
So what kind of tattoo are you getting?
No.
Oh, tattoos? Are we getting tattoos?
Yeah.
What are we gonna get?
Herself.
I got the picture in my orders in the bag.
What made you ask her that?
Well, me and your mother will come and we'll get some too.
Okay.
Sam, what are we gonna get for what kind of tattoo?
We have to all go now.
I
Yeah.
wonder what this is.
Well, that works out
No,
fine
this-
because it's so
Oh, there, my
volume.
mother too.
Did you?
The purple ones here.
Oh, Allie, you got deodorant.
I don't need this anymore now.
Allie! Deodorant!
Allie got deodorant. That means she's a big girl.
Let me guess what else you got. Underwear and socks. Sweethearts.
Yeah, but
Look, Allie! A puff puff.
Oh, if you want it, you want it.
What is
It's a
it?
good one.
we'll see if the other ones work.
A puff puff. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Ready? Allie, 1, 2, 3. Do it.
You're at the phone, and with the caller ID and stuff, but you don't need two answering machines.
Say hi, Allie.
Hey, mommy, catch.
Say hi, Debbie.
Hi, Debbie.
You're supposed to catch.
Deodorant. Wow.
You already got deodorant. Yeah, I left my deodorant in Florida.
That's how you know you're a big girl or boy, when you get deodorant in your stocking.
I left my toothbrush and toothpaste in Florida.
Family less fortunate than your own.
You mean you have man?
Well, I am a little irritated that I have to do all the shopping again, but at least I'm good enough.
So we can drink beer and watch TV? As you know, kids say it's Santa's on. But this is Claus. Who kidnapped Santa?
Well, Luis, that's what I want you boys to find out.
Someone stole Santa? That does not rock. Easy, Gene. Guys, let's go save Christmas. To the Kids Copter. Yay!
You can watch all the TV you want, just as soon as we get back from the mall.
The mall on Christmas Eve?
Peter, I just want this family to have a perfect Christmas, and I need a little help, okay? Brian, my turkey's in the oven. Can you turn it off at 3?
No problem.
We'll shop, come home, eat, and then it's off to the pageant to see our little Stewie and our baby Peter.
They can't.
Yes, by all means, turn me into a child.
There's a spot.
Screw it.
Peter, we'll each take
Change
half
my
a
mind.
list to save time. Kids, why don't you take Stewie to see Santa?
Santa.
They go to bed. We go to bed because you better get some sleep. Let's do it. Hey, he's taking pictures of aftermath. No, we don't need that. You go up. Go up, take there. And now we sleep tomorrow. Yes, Al, you can sleep nice and late tomorrow, right, Al?
Hello? Hi everybody, it's Nicole if you can't tell. But when you guys were gone, and Sandra, Casey, and Sharon, to calm Allie down, we decided to make the gingerbread house. And I would like you guys to see it before we decide to eat it. Okay? Hold on. Here it is. Ain't it pretty? As we can see a little gingerbread. We named him Gingy. He's so cute, isn't he? And we had this nice pathway that me and Allie did. We had the front door, which we ate. Well, the windows at least, because that's why they're all smeared. There was snowfall and it dripped all over. There's a Christmas tree. There's a piece. I'm not going to say who, but someone ate it. Nicole. Over here, we got the side of the house. We started eating it again and it fell in, so I had to fix it. Let me just swap it around. Here we got the most exciting part. We got the back of the house. Back of the tree, we got the windows there. We got some, I don't know what they're called, gumdrops, I guess. They're heart-shaped. They're really pretty. We got a gingerbread man on the roof because she was tanning one day. If you can see her yellow hair, I don't think you can. She was tanning one day and forgot her house was made out of candy and it melted underneath her. And then when the sun went down, it froze again, and now she's stuck there. So. Cause her husband's in the front. He's still looking for her. See, he can't find her. He's a shepherd. He still can't find her. But he's looking. Don't worry. Let's just take another look around. See, look at it. Look at it. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Allie, Danny, and Nicole worked on it. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Well, I can't see through here. I've got to look at the screen.
Do you want to look at the right light on? Alright, ready?
Okay.
Okay, ready? Alright, go! Wait, watch this, ready? No, won't go. Never mind. Keep eating. Come on, Allie, eat!
These are peppermint leaves.
Oh no! Oh no, our beautiful home! I worked so hard. Me, not you. Come on, Zane, make a big bite. Oh, not Gingy. Zane, make a bite. I'm where? Yes. Allie, your turn. Take a big bite. Allie, bite right here. Take a big bite. So don't worry, I won't.
Introducing prawn
Here you go, Allie. Yeah, enjoy your piece. Bye.
technology.
Hello.
How you doing?
Okay.
What?
I'm sure that
Well, you do it in 3 pieces, maybe try to move it, because you're gonna back up down here about the middle, right? You're gonna come with me, because we're gonna leave it. Third and first piece, 1, 2, 3. Connor, you know, when we come out with the other truck, we're gonna back it straight down the center, so when you come back, move it to the side. You know what I mean?
my mother making spaghetti. Go to my stuff. She would live on spaghetti, and he would live on pizza. Pretty easy.
Yeah, well, she'll live on top.
I don't know how healthy. No.
Yeah, that's the only way you can remove that if the wall's taken down. They must be listening. They get the window open.
Cool.
Yeah, they got the window open right there. See them on the top?
Yeah.
They must be listening when we're talking. But that's the best we can do as far as the wall being in the way.
Okay.
Are they definitely replacing the wall?
I have no idea. They got prices out. They got to work.
If they take the wall down, just call me back and I'll give you a price on just grinding it. But you know, maybe if they want to, if they want to be responsible for that, you know, it's up to them.
They got $3,400 in court for just for repairing the wall.
How much?
$3,400. But they include the pillars in there. They changes that down to those pillars. Ice and snow getting inside there and freezing.
Sure, wow, that breaks it too.
That broke those poles.
Yep, that's the only thing. You can't do nothing with this stuff without this here. Or I should say with this here. So, see what happens, right?
Yeah.
Let me see this guy.